We're going around schools at the minute that are close to unmanned train halts and trying to raise awareness of rail safety, but also sort of raising issues with kids that are much more than somebody could get hit by a train.
I mean, all the activities that we do are really fun and they seem to really enjoy it, and you definitely see them coming out of their comfort zone and everything else. I think with us, it's not someone coming in and telling them off, it's working with them and just getting to know them really. Our aim is to write a play from it, so it's making sure that it's relevant to the young people.
We first at the start in the morning we did like a workshop to get used to everybody and, you know, just to express ourselves, and then we went into acting out a scene of what would happen in a train crash and how different parties of the situation would feel.
Really what we're looking at is the decisions that young people make, the reasons that they make them, trying to get an understanding of, I guess, what it is to be a young person and to do the kind of things and, you know, the rationale behind their behaviour really. And the exciting thing about this project is that we then want to take this and we want to create a piece of work that they will watch and they will say, wow, yeah, that is exactly what it's like to be hanging around with my mates on a Friday night.
We got to express how we feel about being down in the station and how you can deal with the situation, you know.
Yeah, you're able to express yourself more and share more stuff that you wouldn't normally share maybe.
It's really important to stay safe because it doesn't just affect us, it affects the drivers, it affects the staff, and it affects other people around us, so it is important to make sure you're safe.